Hey guys, welcome to channel. In this video we will finish our chassis design. This is new year gift for you. I wish you all a very happy new year 2021. Let me demonstrate how you can download it. This is my website, link is in description. Download your gift from here. To download, you need to click over this area. Download and enjoy. Hope you like your new year gift. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the crazy design team of passionate people. Last time we finished designing the sketch profile for our chassis and custom weldment profile sketch using my easiest trick. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. Link is in description. Aerial Atom is such a product, no doors, no roof, no compromise. It's unique, it's original, and nothing else comes close. Nothing at all. As I promised you, I will show you how to make frame in 3 easy steps. 2 of the important steps we finished on our last video. This video I will show you the last and tricky part of designing. For that you need to go to Weldment tab, select the structural member. There you will choose standard as custom and type of profile as folder you have created earlier. Size will choose which is custom profile made by us, whose outer diameter is 30 mm with offset of 3 mm. And then click on group option, then follow my steps creating different groups. And today we will finish our frame design. We will use the sketch which we have already finished and create some new sketch here after creating the weldment profile. We will use custom weldment profile for our frame which will give the pipe structure to us. Now for creating the solid profile, there is 2 steps involved. First is creating weldment structure and second is trimming the unnecessary part of the tubing for perfect and smooth finish. Here first step is very easy, but second one is a bit tricky. But it's worth it lavishing our mind because I personally think it's the easiest and the fastest way of creating such a complex structure. So go on with trimming the unwanted extra tubing. And if you want a detailed video on weldment, check the description. I have already made one, especially on weldment. Check that out. It will help you understand better. Here make sure to uncheck both allow extension box and follow my step. After trimming, we will mirror this frame and also the 3D sketch for getting the sketch of other supporting member. Then we will do the same for them as well. We will create tubes using weldment profile and then trim them all. Create sketch as per the blueprint and then all you need is to create weldment profile and trim unnecessary parts. We need to do a lot of trimming, but it's worth it for getting better result. See how easy it is to create the structure of frame using this method. Also, I have a work for you. Use the chassis which you will create or download chassis from the link provided and do a force analysis on that. And post your result on the comment section below. Also, post the pic of your frame in the comment section below. Like I said in the last video, I will not be changing the layout of frame. The Aerial Atom features a prominently visible chassis, that is an exoskeleton, no roof or windows, or a small optional windscreen, and a drag coefficient of 0.4. But I will definitely do experiment with body panels. I am also thinking to do suspension and steering system on this car. Stay tuned, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get regular updates on my future crazy designs. Now you need to connect endpoints both horizontally and diagonally. Do this for all endpoints. While watching, it might seem confusing to you, like what's going on here. It's nothing complex, trust me. You just need to join endpoints both diagonally and horizontally. Same goes for rest of the endpoints. And for the central hoop, what you need to do is draw a vertical line from the midpoint of the line joining two ends. Then from top endpoint of vertical line, draw a horizontal line, and from endpoint of horizontal line, bring down another line joining these two lines. Give it a fillet and mirror the line. It will give you your desired profile. Join these lines, and same goes for every portion. I also have given the dimension so that it will be easy for you to follow. Follow my steps, that will help you. Now for this rear portion, what you need to do is, from endpoint of this line, draw a vertical line, and from one endpoint of that vertical line, draw the horizontal line. For other end, make constant relation with the front plane. Now if you want, you can convert the vertical line to construction line, but in my case I will delete it. And then from endpoint of horizontal line, connect the both lines, and finally give it a fillet and mirror it. You will get your profile. For rest of sketch, follow my steps. Now connect all the endpoints horizontally and diagonally. Now for this line, it's horizontal with 50 mm height and distance from midpoint is 30 mm. This line will provide support to the pipe which we will use joining suspension mount. Also it will provide support to the body panels like bonnets and other parts. Follow these steps to finish the sketch, and once you finish the sketch, you need to prepare weldment profile and then perform remaining time with trimming. Sit back and watch the rest of steps. I have tried to make it as simple as possible. Also, I have tried my best to explain effectively. Hope all that makes sense. For all this, I just ask you to subscribe. That's all. Your subscription will help me to stay motivated. Slowly, we will build this entire car. And we will be requiring to do a lot of tuning, especially while performing trim operation. And again, I will say it's worth it doing so. When you will get used to it, you can do it in your own pace. Keep practicing. In first attempt, you will face some difficulty. But again, if you are enjoying what you are doing, then nothing matters. Just do what you love to do. Follow your passion. I also used to watch YouTube videos, and trust me, in beginning it was very difficult for me. But I never give up. I kept on pushing harder and raising the limits. Also remember, sky is not the limit. There is footprint on moon as well. So never keep boundaries, work beyond your limitations to reveal the beast inside you. I always enjoy designing, and I am passionate about my designs. That's why my channel name is Design with Passion 66. After this, next step will be creating the body panels of the car. And after this video, you will have to wait for some time because I will be busy for preparing of my exams. So part 3 will be coming after some time. That's why I have completed the frame over here, and designing body part will start from part 3. That is the most interesting part in this entire series. Trust me. Then we will be designing steering system. After steering, we will be designing suspension system. So stay tuned guys and keep loving. It's just the beginning. Subscribe, hit a like if you find this video helpful. And again, thanks for all the love and support. I'm getting such a huge love and support from you guys. I really appreciate it. Keep loving the same way and watch video till the end. will also notice that in some portion I have used one thin bar, like one thin custom profile. So the dimension of that custom profile is 14 mm diameter with 4 mm thickness. It's ISO profile, so you can just follow my step there. wish you a very happy new year 2021. Keep doing progress,